In this video I'm going to show you guys how to change the date and time on iPhone. This should work on iOS 3rd course, so if you want to change the date and time on your iPhone, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your settings, of course. Scroll down till you see General. Click on that. As you can see, date and time is right here. Click on it. And uncheck the box set automatically, and as you can see, you can here change the date and the time, of course. You can also change it to a 24-hour time, and yeah, that's basically it. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I would appreciate that. Bye.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.